There's quite a lot of different operational processes that can be improved using AI, especially computer vision. For automating tasking, automating a task can help quite a lot the operators because we are reducing the human error. Like machines can do the same operation over and over again and do it in exactly the same way. So they don't get tired as humans do. And we also make it a bit more engaging for the operator because just imagine if you have some sort of help when you are looking at a CCTV camera that just detects movement, it's already guiding the attention of the operator. You could even go like an extra step and detect people. So the operator just needs to make sure that it's not doing anything nefarious. Regarding the increased accuracy, this is very obvious when we are talking over long periods of time, especially for like very repetitive tasks. Surveillance and monitoring is a perfect example for something like this. But in terms, like even the latest models now, not only for like very long periods of time, they perform better than humans, but only like for particular detections, they are getting really, really good at it. Another process, another operational process to optimize would be like real-time monitoring. Like machines are really, really fast and we can gather like information from a lot of cameras and get insight on real-time monitoring, which is quite interesting in a lot of different fields. We also have optimizing resources for analyzing data. Like if we see that, like, I don't know, we are analyzing the path of some sort of vehicle and we see that it's like taking a longer route and we could be using a shorter one. Like that's the kind of thing that we could analyze with computer vision and tracking. And then we have predictive maintenance, identifying when some sort of equipment would need to have some maintenance, and use proactive maintenance instead of just repairing something when it fails, which is never the best solution. When we move to e-commerce and selling platforms, like personalized experiences are king, and we can get those just by optimizing using visual data. Like imagine like a visual search is a good example, but there's different ones that can be applied for something like that, like virtual try-ons and so on. Finally, we're going to talk about enhancing safety, how we can make sure that the work environments are safe. This is critical in industrial operation, but imagine that you are dealing with hazardous chemical products or something in those lines. We can make sure that those are treated properly and that we are following all the regulations as we should.